This is the letter C. Big C, little c. What other words begin with the letter C? Car, camera, caterpillar, chocolate, clock, cloud, crayon. What other words begin with the letter C? C is for... That's right, cat. What is a cat? Cats are cute and playful animals that love to chase toys, nap in sunny spots, and sit in boxes. Cats have soft fur and can be many colors like gray, orange, and brown. Let's look at some different cats for inspiration. What do you see? I see cats with pointed ears, long whiskers, and in many different colors. Let's draw a cat. You need paper, black marker, and a tool to make color. We're going to start in the middle of our white paper, and we're going to make our cat's eye. Go 1, 2 curved lines with 1, 2 matching curved lines underneath. We're going to do thin ovals. I'm going to color mine in. Thin ovals in the middle of both cat eyes. Go in between the eyes and a little down and do an upside down triangle for our cat's nose. Straight line down. With us, I build a head around it. Do 1, 2 curved lines to make our cat's head. Cats have pointed ears, so we're going to do 1, 2 upside down V's or triangles for the ears. I'm going to go ahead and make little ones on the ends. We're going to make the feet by going underneath the head and doing 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to make ovals that are laying down. Those are going to be, and now we're going to connect the feet to the head. First, we're going to go to our 2 middle ovals and do a thin upside down U with 2 straight lines up for his front feet. Curve line in from both, and then a line jumps from the back feet up to the neck, back feet up to the neck. Now let's do a straight line across, connect all his little feet, and I'm going to give my cat a wavy tail, making a curved line up, little hook at the end, curve line. Now this would be a good time to add a few details. I'm going to add straight lines inside my paws, give him little toes. I'm going to think back to the cats we were looking at earlier, do some lines, and some... Now, cat begins. Now cats come in all different shapes and sizes and colors. I'm going to choose to do a cat with a little pink nose, a little pink inside of his ears, because I think that would be very sweet, and green eyes. So he's just popping off the page. A snow white cat with bright green eyes. No, you could do all different things. You could give your cat spots. You could give your cat stripes. You could make your cat look like a little tiger. You could do all different things. You could do something a little different. I really like the artistic cats that were in our video earlier. You made a cat. That's perfect. Cat is for C. That's right. See ya in the next one. Please like and subscribe for more Bold Soul Whimsy content. Thank you for joining us.